Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making an easy, simple honey garlic salmon recipe. So let's get started. First, of course, you're gonna need salmon. You can use whatever cut you prefer. I had steaks, that's what I'm using. I'm using some good honey. Make sure you have good honey for this recipe. Of course, spicy girl, but season it how you prefer. You're gonna need some butter. I'm using Kerrygold butter. And this is a whole entire bulb of garlic. You need a lot of garlic. It's like extreme garlic, but it's gonna be delicious, trust me. Also, you're gonna need a lemon. We're gonna use the zest on the salmon and the juice and the sauce. So of course right here, we're gonna season the salmon first. I already have my lemon zest all over the salmon. I'm gonna take my spicy girl and put it all over the salmon. Remember, my spice restocked June 15th. So it'll be right back ready for you guys, and I won't be running out this time. So yeah, get it all over your salmon. Next, you want to melt down your butter, which is a half a stick. Melt it down really, really well. You kind of want to sort of get like an amber color to it, like I do right here. Next, you want to add your honey right down in here. This recipe is so super simple. You cannot, absolutely cannot mess it up. Then you're going to add your garlic, and you want to toss that right in there. Y'all, when this garlic hit this honey and butter, like I can't. Next, you want to add your lemon juice, which is the juice from the lemon that we zested. You also want to make sure you salt this sauce to your liking. It is a lot of honey, so make sure you salt it to taste, which is what I'm doing right now. Next, all you want to do is add your salmon right down in your skillet. Look how easy that is. Like, you're not doing anything. All you're doing is just layering in your skillet. You're layering flavors. You're layering your salmon. That's all you're doing. You want to scoop up the garlic, honey, butter, lemon, goodness, all over your salmon. Y'all, y'all, I'm already mouth watering. But yeah, you just want to do it just like this. Get it all over your salmon. Next, all you're going to do is cover it. Cover it, and you're going to walk away like nothing happened. Y'all, look at this salmon. So beautiful, so tender, because we steamed it. Basically, that's what I call steam anyway. We steamed it in that honey, garlic, butter, spicy girl, lemon juice. Like, it's just all love up in this pot. Look at this, look. And I'm just gonna make a salad. That's all I'm doing tonight. I'm not doing much at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys. Mm.